Good afternoon. Welcome to the live US session. We are just coming live here to share our update on the market. We are I think so, the best approaching week because we probably see some setup, which I will share now for the week ahead. So we are seeing the indices, they are still struggling to break. So S&P 500 is still struggling to break the level 4,200. Yesterday we saw this dodgy bar. We could probably see some retracement at this level here around the 4,070 area. So I'm not keen to trade the indices long at the moment. I will take maybe some short movement until here if the price action later on is going to form on my direction, because also Nasdaq is struggling to break this 13,300 level. We saw yesterday as well is trying to push, but I can see the AD line is not confirming the price action. So we are making here is making lower low and lower high, meaning we could probably see some retracement around the 13,000. So short term be bearish on the indices, also because also Russell and sorry, is showing a big weakness. I'm waiting to see if this trend line is going to break, or we could see some again on this support area, price adding this support area around 1,700. Also AD line is showing, we could probably see this. I said some nice setup because I can see some nice movement on dollar index. So if we bring down the chart of dollar index, we are seeing some a bit pushing up of dollar. So this is the chart of dollar index. So we see price previously reject the 170 area and push up. Here done the same, here done the same, here done the same, and this look like after last week on this price action, a low test bar, a high test bar, which meaning price push lower and buyer stepping in and they find a floor here. So, and yesterday price action bullish, again low test bar, and today it look like it won't break this trend line. I want to see nice clean break above 1,150 and stay above, because I have two pair where I want to short it against the pound, against the dollar, sorry, which is euro dollar is on top of my list. Is already showing some weakness from yesterday. We saw this high test bar, and today is that we have another bearish bar, and also the AD line is showing price change of trend, because here is making a lower low and lower high, and now is breaking the previous lower point. So it's breaking here. So meaning we could probably see some downside of euro. We have a lot of room until 1.65 area. So my best setup will be, if I can see, I will bring my IG chart because I'm trading there. So I already have a euro dollar on my. So this 1 hour chart, I have this level here, which is a demand zone and support area. Also is aligned with the monthly pivot, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is. So I want to see clear break through this level, which is 1.097. Nice clear break, retest. I'm gonna short it. We'll probably see later on, or maybe tomorrow morning, early morning on daily pivot, I will be shorting euro dollar. If you're watching this, you are not member on our YouTube, please subscribe so you will get some update on trade opportunity. Also, we share our best trading setup on our Facebook group. So this was my first trading setup for euro dollar. Also, pound dollar, it's look interest as well, because where daily time frame, we see already from yesterday this bearish bar. Today is forming again another bearish bar. Also is trying to break this trend support line. So if we drop down time frame on 4 hour, it look like I want to break, and it show already change of trend on 1 hour. If this is gonna break this previous point. So if we drop down 1 hour time frame, we'll probably see clear picture. Yeah, so we have multiple support where we have to be careful and see if they're gonna break. So I wanna see price now. This is trying to break. I wanna see break this premium point here. So going again as well with the weekly pivot point, you can see down here on the left side is a weekly pivot point. So I want to see price get below and stay below. So I will short the pound dollar. So this was top of my list, euro and pound shorting against US dollar, because I predict dollar will be gained this week. The other currency pair, there is dollar Swiss franc, which we don't talk much, but we get as a reference. So his price is basing here, is ranging. So I want to see, because Swiss was quite strong, so I want to see price get above of this level to be a dollar as well. So I will see dollar strength, so will be benefit my setup for pound and euro. Australian dollar against the US dollar, its price is ranging, so it's not on top of my list. So you can see price is inside this range. We could probably see a little bit of retracement as we saw in this previous point and this previous point. So now price is on top of the range. So could probably see some retracement here. So, but I'm not ranging trader, so I'm moving on. New Zealand, we can probably see the same. Yeah, is on top of the range as well. There is here, and now we are here. After this big move, we could probably see some phase 2 here on daily time frame. Dollar CAD, I think so is very unlikely I'm gonna trade. We saw last week dollar weakening against the Canadian dollar and reaching again this support level here. You can previously see is jump up again. So I'm not keen to trade dollar CAD, but we could probably see already show some rejecting this level yesterday on dollar CAD. Could probably see some price heading again on the level 135. Dollar yen is the last pair on. So dollar yen is look interesting, but I think so it's not ready yet. I want to see some more confirmation on price action, because so yesterday some doji bar. Let's see if we drop down time frame 4 hour. 4 hour is showing some rejection in this area, which is nice. I get some reference. So let's go 1 hour. Yeah, I want to see price get above on this range here. I'm considering to go long on dollar yen, as we are daily time frame is still uptrend. So could probably see. I want to see this clear retest and go long until this resistance level. So this is my view on indices and currency pair. Moving on commodities, let's touch gold first. Daily time frame, we saw last week price heading on this major resistance level and price retrace. We are seeing not much on price action yesterday and today as well. So let's drop down time frame. See, I have two area where I want to see price coming in, and then I'll see after the price heading on this 2 level, which now is acting as a resistance. I want to see price when it's coming here as a support, how it's gonna react. So I could be a buyer here, or I could sell if price stay below 2000. At the moment, I'm not gonna trade here. So moving on. Silver, daily time frame. After we price had to the 26 mark level here previously and last week, price is still rejecting the level, and now is on the middle of the range from 26 and 24. So it's not clear picture, so I'm not into trade silver as well now. Oil, we saw last week price getting into 65 level and buyer stepping in, but now is on the middle So I'm not keen to trade until I see better picture. So I probably want to see heading to 70 and start to be a buyer, or some double bottom here around 66. Would be nice to go long on oil. This was my quick update on live US section. Let's wait until later on if price is gonna bring something, and I want to be a buyer on dollar. Or if it's not today, maybe it's gonna be tomorrow after the CPI meeting, which we're gonna have tomorrow afternoon. So thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow evening for end of day live US session, live section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.